Hey there, good friends. Welcome, new subscribers. I'm Brian from Apex Detail. You guys know by now I absolutely love products from the smaller companies. They have to put a lot of time and research and care into their products simply because they have a smaller customer base that they need to keep, and they obviously want to grow. So reputation and word of mouth is paramount. Today we're going to look at a product from one of these smaller companies. This is called the Buffer. This is from the Wolf Company, WULF. This is it, guys. This is the only product they provide. They put their heart and soul into this one product, and it is a top seller on some platforms. This is a 1200 GSM do-it-all towel, and we're going to test that today. We're going to test it doing rinseless, waterless washes. We're going to see how absorbent it is in drying. We're going to see how it removes waxes, sealants, coatings. And during the video, I'll give you a hint as to how to save these towels if you are applying a real serious sealant or an SiO2 or TI22 or TiO2 based sealant. So stay tuned. Let's head out into the shop and give this a try. The Buffer from the Wolf Company is a 1200 GSM multi-purpose 16 by 16 towel. Comes in a pack of 3 and happens to be the only product that this company offers. Took the liberty to print out some comparisons so you don't have to do the legwork. The Rag Company and the Big Blue Premium, also on Amazon, are 16 by 16 1100 GSMs, and the price is comparable. They're all there together. The DPC also has an 1100 GSM that is fantastic for drying, and this is in the league. No tags, no stitching, has a nice silk border. You can see the thickness. It's plush. And you can see how long the fibers are here. The noted uses for this towel are many. I'm going to run through just a few examples for you. An excellent example is a rinseless or waterless wash. So we'll put a ½ ounce of DPC Revive in the bucket. I'll get the microfiber down into the solution, mix it in, mix it up, get the solution in between those fibers, and we're just going to pull it out and wring out a little bit of the water. We're not going to wring it dry, but we're also not going to pull it out that it's just dripping wet all over the place. And we'll fold it into 4s, and we're going to get started with our contact wash process. And this is after a pre-treat. You've seen me go through this whole process. Okay, even after the pre-treat, there is a chance of some grit being stuck on the surface. So we're not going to put a ton of pressure down onto the microfiber. And having a plush microfiber for this purpose really helps. You'll see me twist and turn the rag as I get down towards the lower part of the car where even more grit could be hanging on. This helps to pull it, lift it away from the surface and not get it caught in between the wash media and the surface of the car. You can also unfold it and have it just in 2 sections if you want to. It all depends on your personal style of a contact wash. This super plush microfiber is fantastic for a rinseless wash. It really does pull up the dirt, get it away from the surface without having to apply a ton of pressure. Then we just unfold it, flip it over, fold it back up again, and you have 4 extra sides. So you have 8 sides if you fold it into 4, and you have a surface area of the towel that you could fit your hand in. And what's nice about it, it's plush, it is high quality, but it will not fold up in your hands and get out of control. You can see here the dirt that it picks up. It does a fantastic job. I have a pile of new ones within arm's reach. They are new, but they are washed. They are washed in low temperature, tumble dry, and I'll tumble dry them for a second time to pull out any excess lint that may came in the package during shipping. You could do the drying process many ways. On the side of the car, I'll fold it into 4s, and you have 8 sides. You can just keep flipping and flipping until you have the side completely dry. When it gets to larger flat surfaces like the trunk or the roof or the hood, I'll unfold it into just 2s or just unfold it completely, and you can see just how quickly it can pull the moisture off of a previously washed car. And to just quick show you how absorbent and effective the towel is in drying the car in your drying process, I re-wet the hood and I grab the towel. I'm going to lay it out over the hood, do this one-handed because I'm operating the camera anyways, but I'll just drag the microfiber across the hood with no pressure whatsoever, and you'll just see how quickly it pulls and wicks the moisture back up into the towel, and you can move on. Bear with me, I'll show you how quick you can dry off the hood, kind of give you an idea of how quick you can get around an entire car. Completely dry, lint-free, and looking gorgeous. Moving right along, let's see how it pulls up compounds. We have the Optimum Hyper Compound. Give me a second, I'll work it into the panel, and we'll see how effective and easy it is for this towel. This multi-purpose high GSM towel is pulling up that type of residue. Give me a second here, I'll bring you guys in close. You can see the residue itself, and when I run the towel across it, normally some of those real plush, high quality microfibers will grab and fold under my hand and just be a real pain in you know what to wipe off compounds. This here, it stays in its shape under my hand and pulls up the compound easily. It's something I usually use a shorter nap towel for. So let's move on to a polish. We'll do the same thing. I'm putting a lot more product on the microfiber as I usually do on purpose so we can get more product onto the panel, easier for you to see, and make it harder for the towel to pick up. Okay, good enough. All we really want to do is work the product into the panel and spread it out. Let me grab the camera, bring it in close. You take a look at the residue and we'll see how easy or hard it is to pull up a polish from the panel itself. Piece of cake. I have many sides to work with, so just flip it over quickly and you don't have to smear the product around. It picks it right up easy and effortlessly. Okay, let's step it up a bit. A montane wax is extracted from brown coal. It's a durable wax. It is a heat-resistant wax. It can also be a bear to work with. Not much of an effort to get the product spread out onto the panel, but sometimes depending on what environment and temperature and humidity you're working in, it could be a pain to wipe up. Enough. This is also another product I'd like to pull back up with a shorter nap microfiber, just something I prefer. But let's see how the buffer works. We have it folded in fours. Normally a plush, thicker microfiber would be folding over under your hand and just being unmanageable, but this has no problem whatsoever with it. How about a quick detailer or a spray wax? Here we'll use DPC Reflect and we'll spray it onto a darker color. and we'll use the same towel to both work it in, then flip it over and remove the product. How about a paste wax? When we have that spread across the surface, will the higher Plush microfiber towel just smear it in, or will it pick it up easily? Moving right along, how about coatings? Here we're going to put on a window coating. This is H2Go from Angel Wax. You simply spread this out with a microfiber, let it sit until it slightly hazes over, and remove. Normally I'll use a short nap on this as well, because these can really be a pain to remove. Five minutes later, it is hazed over. It's ready to be removed. Let's see how the buffer works in this area. Still hard to remove. Just as hard as the shorter nap, but I thought it would do a little bit better. This is the only area where it really falls short and kind of disappointed me. Now, a quick tip. You guys, I get a lot of questions on what to do with towels after applying either a ceramic coating or an SiO2 spray coating or a quality sealant. As soon as you're done working it, don't give it a chance to lay around. Drop it straight into a bucket of ONR, ½ ounce per gallon, and let it sit in there until you're finished completely laying down protection for the car. Then, immediately take your towels and wash them. However you do it, low temperature, tumble dry, and they will be able to use again. No crust, no crystallization in the towel if you do this right here. ½ ounce of Power Clean by Optimum also works in a gallon of water. If you can't get the towel into the bucket in a timely manner, still wash, but downgrade to engine bay towels. Okay, time for the final thought segment of the video, the buffer from the Wolf Company. This is a 1200 GSM towel, and those that know me know I'm not a huge fan of the high GSM towels. Sometimes they're hard to work with. Sometimes they're just not quite as absorbent as you would think they would be. I've thrown a lot at this towel, and it has stood up to everything and has really impressed me. And I can do nothing but recommend it. It's a great towel. 3-pack for $24 is right in line with those other high GSM towels, and it is quite a little bit higher than some of those high GSM towels available on the market. I'll put a link down below. When it's time to order new towels and you want to look into it, you have this video to revert back to, and you have the link to follow. If you have any questions, don't hesitate. Brian from Apex Detail. I'll catch you in the next video.